told me, no, who is he to tell you? I said, he is watchman. No, that is not right. I said, okay, then what do? We go up. Upar jayenge. I said, I want to live more. And then all arrangements were made in that hall. The TV, team was there, audience was seated. I was just to go and start my lecture. No, we'll go up. What they think? Prestige issue. I said, okay, let me take a glass of water. नहीं, ऊपर जाके पियो. Imagine. And then I went and sat in that one room, and the whole thing they shifted and went. It took 15 minutes. So one person came and said to me, he said, Swamiji, how come you are not getting angry and disturbed? So why should I get angry and disturbed? My rule is, those who become angry and disturbed and miserable because of somebody, they are the fools of the highest order. I am not a fool. Why should I become miserable because of anybody? Now I am talking to you. If you don't listen, if you sleep, why should I become miserable? In one talk, two of them sitting in the front. One man was sleeping on the shoulder of the other. And that person who was supporting, he was feeling so uncomfortable. And I was enjoying. What I enjoy from here, you can never understand. So when, that's awakened man, when he was trying to move so that this fellow should wake up, he pulled his hand around his neck and again. And when the lecture was over, he came there, awakened man. He said, Swamiji, why didn't you tell him to wake up? He was sleeping in your lecture. I said, you tell me, my friend, what for you have come here? You have come to get happiness or to get misery? No, Swamiji, I came to get happiness. You never got it, he got it. See, in Darjeeling, I went to a tea garden. And the moment I went in that office, there was a beautiful board, small board written. It was, life is like a cup of tea, depends on how you make it. See? We become miserable because of God realization. Who wants? See? Therefore, friends, let us understand this principle. Let us not carry the load of our memories and become miserable. And when you remain in the utter present, you have nothing to talk. See? And if you are supposed to talk, required to talk, then talk about government. When you talk about government, you do not get sins and merits. Because government is an illusion. Isn't it? Misgovernance is the reality. But we call it government, isn't it? Actually, it is misgovernance, not governance. See? Talk about the climate. This is what I like in the Europe very much. Wherever I had gone, bride said, Swamiji, last 3 days it was so heavily raining and so you came here and you got sun. I said, yes, he is my friend. Wherever I go, he follows me. See? Therefore, let us not get into the past and bring our past in the present. It has no meaning. Live in the utter present. This is the secret. And this secret is not a secret. See how beautiful it is. Please go and see a movie if you have not seen. And the movie is Kung Fu Panda. That is the movie which I like the most. Have you seen any one of you? You have wasted your life. See? Last time when I told our Vivek and Shyam, I said, we will go and see that movie. Oh, Swamiji, what is that movie? It's not... I said, you are going to cry or come. And when we came and saw, oh, it was so good. And what is the goodness in that movie? There is no secret of life. You are the secret. Find out your blissful self. Don't struggle for getting happiness in life. Let happiness express. And we can express happiness only if we are not preoccupied. See, we are preoccupied with our past. We are preoccupied with our earlier experiences. See, there are many professional satsangi, Professional satsangi means, they go to every satsanga and they are a challenge to the Mahatmas. Sudhar ke dikhao. Haan. Many Mahatmas have come and gone. Asangoham, asangoham, asangoham punah punah. I am unchanging Kutastha Chaitanya, the reality which can never change. So let us not bring our past in any experience. Now, the relational I we have discarded, then this identity crisis I we have discarded. Now the third I. What is the third I? The third I is when I say I am old, the meaning of I is gross body. In India, Gujaratis they will call gross body, this is gross body. When I say I am hungry and thirsty, I refers to the pranamaya kosha. When I say I am miserable or happy, I refers to the mind. When I say I am successful, not successful, I refers to the vijnanamaya kosha, the ego center. See friends. So which of the eyes we are? See friends. So be very attentive. All these eyes, I am old, young, I am hungry, thirsty, these are only the conditioned expressions of the unconditioned reality. See? When I get identified with my wife, I is referred as a husband. See? So who is the husband? Husband is a conditioned expression of the man. Who is man? Man is infinite reality. What is the husband? Husband is a conditioned expression of the infinite reality. Now see what happens. Once it happened many years before in one of the 5-star hotels. I went for some marriage, and after taking food, after cinema is over, I was taking food and sitting and eating. One man entered in that hotel, and I don't know who is he. I called him. I said, hey, excuse me, please come here. He came to me. And I said, I want to talk in your ear. And I talked in his ear. What is the number of your shoe? An unknown person in a 5-star hotel asking a question. And the unknown person is the Swamiji. And asking this question, what is the number of your shoe? He looked at me. I said, don't look like that. Answer my question. But why did you ask this question? I said, I'll tell you after you answer my question. He said, my shoe number is 9. I said, have you put on shoe 8 number? The moment I said, how do you know that? I said, I am omniscient. No, but really tell me, how do you know? I said, the way you are walking with 1 number of shoe less you put on and you walk in such a manner as if it is a tom walk, not a cat walk, a tom walk. Isn't it? With 1 number less shoe, our expression and behavior is so funny. We, the infinite reality expressing through this shoe of body, start behaving as a mortal, as a miserable. So what is to be done? Remove the shoe. See friends, disidentify from these limitations. And to disidentify from this limitation, start playing meditation. Don't do meditation. See? How do we play?